What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are breaking down day 3 of the small account flip. Start the account with 500 bucks and we are growing it as high as we can with our current broker until we switch to our new broker. So as always, these videos I'm gonna make them for you guys day in, day out until we basically reach the finish line. The goal in the game plan was originally $5 million. But again, we're not going to stop with one broker and pick off with another broker. We're just going to run this to the very end. I wanted to hit, unfortunately, Osprey is shutting down, so we're going to be using the new broker going forward. So I'll break this down for you guys. As always, on the left hand side is the VIP Telegram signals alert. Every single trade I take, I shared in this group. Today was day 3, and the count, you guys can see right here, live account in the top right corner, $4,497.82. The profit was $2,253, so the count is sitting at $4,500. So within 3 days, from $500 to $4,500 is pretty fucking good. It's really good. Again, I'm treating this account very aggressive, extremely aggressive. I would not recommend or advise this with anybody that's new to trading, starting off, or is very, not trying to lose the money. So, everyone's financial situation is different. So, with me basically using $500 and to grow that's no different than me basically going to the casino, taking $500 and putting on red or black with roulette. But the difference is that the house always wins. This case, the house isn't going to win. I'm applying my strategy, my style of trading, my risk management. At any time, guys, I could take the trade off the table. What I mean by that is when you go to the casino and you bet money on the table, once that money touches the table, you cannot pull that off, right? That they usually wipe their hand across the table. That means no more bets stay. But again, if you go to the casino and you're playing blackjack, you put $500 on the table, and let's say you get one shitty card, well, guess what? You can't say I'm gonna take my bet off the table. They'll throw you out real fast. But with trading, if the trade is not going in my direction, right, I can get off a break even or very small profit or a small loss. So again, this is basically how I'm growing this account. Again, live account, top corner. Transparency is everything with trading and life in general. So the count is going really good. If the count gets to 100 grand and just gets to 100 grand, then that's it. If it gets to $1 million, it gets to $1 million. If it gets to 2 million, 3 million, doesn't matter. Whatever the count gets to, we're growing this account very fast, very consistent and steady. So let's break down the trades, the alerts for you guys today. So multiple signals went out today. Today was Money Monday. NAS 100. We're basically in this little channel right here, looking for to buy it, and then basically a push to the upside. Unfortunately, the market open, she dropped before finally pushing back up. Then US 30, same thing with this one, guys. We were in this channel here looking, because it was Money Monday, looking for the market to basically take off running. Unfortunately, the economy has been very tough between Trump, Elon Musk. We don't know what's going on with the market, the world, the economy, so it has been very hard lately. But we were able to capture US 30. US 30 when the market opened completely just sold off, right? When it sold off, we were looking at past areas for it to hold, right? We had this previous zone right here, but what I really liked was this zone right here where we came down hard, pushed up. Same thing here, came down hard, pushed up. I told everybody here in the Telegram group, as you can see here on the left hand side, I said buying US 30 at 42,644.44. You can see it basically dropped down to these lows and then pushed up, took off running, and we were able to make good solid profit. So it does not get any more real and transparent as this. This is the real deal, guys. This is trades happening day in and day out, using TradingView for charting, executions on the broker Osprey and TradeLocker. As always, if you guys are interested in being part of the VIP Telegram signals alerts, the link for that is below this YouTube video. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profit.